Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you list important updates about Chilgai coin. Its price prediction this year mega billion because friends, when I think few months ago this meme coin was launched and hit awesome market cap here, make a massive hype in crypto market, and this meme coin is already listed in Binance futures. So maybe it's possible that we can see Chilgai listing in Binance Spot soon because right now market is also recovering here. You can see Chilgai is also pumped 13% in last 24 hours. So now everything is looking good, and current market cap 21.4 million, but already hit I think 5 to 600 million dollars market cap a few months ago. But due to recent market crash, this meme coin is barely dumped here. But now market is going upwards, so this meme coin is also going upwards. Solana ecosystem meme coin, I will share you is all further details in this video, so you have to just follow the complete video here. Friends, still guy current price 0.0 to $1, pumped by 13%. Current market cap 21.4 million, 11.3 million trading volume in last 24 hours. So trading volume is also good because already huge centralized listing including Binance futures, 1 billion coin supply all in circulation. This is good because it's all supplies in circulation. This is really good, friends. Solana ecosystem meme coins, and maybe if Solana ETFs will be approved in coming few days, then definitely Solana ecosystem meme coin can boom again in crypto market. You can see, friends, a dog theme meme coin, we are 96% down than its all-time high. They were 5 months ago, November 27, $0.6, where from we are 97%, okay, 97% down, only 250% up than its all-time low. So performance is still good because, friends, mostly Binance listed meme coins are right now 90 to 95% down, just like Wave, Popcat, and Peanut. Binance and Coinbase listed meme coins are right now 90 to 95% down. Still guys, still not on Coinbase and not in Binance Spot yet, so its performance is good, okay, not too bad. You can see, friends, Bitget, MEXC, Gate.io has listed, KuCoin has listed, Bitnix has already listed this coin. So already huge centralized listing for Chilgai coin, so this is good. You can check out all further details here on the website. You can see Chilgai, okay, you can copy its official contract address here. Chilgai, the future of memes on Solana, because right now we are have a massive hype for Solana ecosystem meme coin again. You can see, friends, join forces with Chilgai. Okay, so no doubt tokens looking very good. You can see, friends, become a chill guy moonshoot. You can buy this coin with the Apple Pay, Visa, Mastercard, Venum, and buy chill guy. You can check out all further details here. That you can also buy this coin on Phantom Wallet, that's is Solana Dex wallet. But friends, these are some centralized exchanges where this coin is listed. You can see Bybit, Gate.io, KuCoin, Crypto.com. Gemini has already listed. You can see Binance is also here, but not in spot. Okay, Binance is list this coin in its future trading, not in spot, because as I already show you, this coin is also listed in Binance futures, but maybe it's possible that Binance can list this coin in its spot also, because right now we are again having a massive hype for meme coins in crypto market, just like massive pump for AI Dogecoin recently, Happy Cat, Moniki. Mostly meme coins are right now 2 to 3x within few last days, so it's possible that we can see a massive boom in crypto market for meme coins now. I can see, friends, these are some central exchanges where this coin is listed. You can check out all further details here on their website. Website is looking very good. And no doubt, Chilga is also one of my favorite meme coin. I'm already holding this coin on MEX exchange. But friend, before further details about Chilgai coin, before Chilgai's price prediction, if you still not join my Telegram channel, I provide you my Telegram channel link in description. You can also join my Telegram channel where you can get all latest updates about cryptocurrencies, about meme coins here on my Telegram channel. So you can also join my Telegram channel link in description. As friends, Chilgai current market cap 21.4 million, current price $0.021. Already hit $0.6 price. There was all-time high price $0.6. So friends, I think as its circulation supply is around 1 billion, But Chill Guy coin has definitely potential to reach at least $5 to $10 billion market cap. There will be its price can reach $5 to $10 in this year's super cycle meme coins mega bullion, because friends already listed in Binance Future. So maybe Binance Spot and Coinbase listings are possible when crypto market will recover, when we see a massive boom for Solana ecosystem meme coin. At that time, Chill Guy has potential to be the next listing for Binance and Coinbase. And in this year's super cycle meme coins mega bullion, I think Chilka has potential to reach 5 to maybe $10 billion market cap. Then we can see its price from just $0.02, that is current price right now, to $5 to $10 is really possible. What's your price prediction? Are you holding Chilka or not? You can must comment down below.